We are going to take a look at what are your partner's current thoughts and words and conversations with their friends about you and this connection. To the people that are mutually connected to the both of you together, let's dive right into your video. Let's get into it. Keep in mind that these are general readings, so only take what resonates, leave the rest behind. For more accurate and personalized reading, you can book the personal reading from the link in my description box below. You can follow me on Instagram, and let's get right into your reading. What are they saying and telling their friends about you? We have the Three of Wands reverse. They are saying that you can be a bit unpredictable sometimes. They cannot predict your next move. They cannot predict what you will say or think about in a particular situation. So they believe that you're really unpredictable. What else are they saying? Then we have Knight of Pentacles. They are saying that you wait for nobody. You wait for nobody and nothing. Like if something is wasting your time, you will be the first person to walk away from that situation. And I think they really like that about you. It's not that they don't admire this quality of yours. They really like this. And that's what they're talking about. But we have Queen of Cups reversed and the King of Cups is reversed. They are saying that you are their divine counterpart. They are saying that they believe that you could be the one for them. King and Queen of Cups literally coming out. They believe that you could be the one that they are supposed to be getting married to. You could be the one that they are supposed to be with for the rest of their lives. As cheesy as it might sound, but they could also be saying that they are really lucky to have you in their life, because a soulmate connection is something everybody desires regardless of the gender. And if they believe that you are their divine counterpart, and if they believe that you are their soulmate, they really think that they are lucky to have you in their life. What else are they saying about my collective to their friends? We have the Hermit. They are saying that you could be a loner, or you have very intelligent mind. Like you store a lot of wisdom inside of yourself, and you are very knowledgeable. You are very mature. You are really like mature of your age. I don't know why that's coming up, because with the Hermit they can also think that it's fine, you could be on your own. Like if things are not going right, if things are wasting your time, if people are wasting your time, you are happy being alone. You don't care. Like you don't care to be surrounded with the bad company. You can stay alone. You can be in your own presence, and this comes from your wisdom. This comes from your maturity of life. With the Sun, you make them happy. That's what they're saying. You are very confident. You make them happy. They are really lucky to have you. That's what I'm hearing again. I said this twice. So they really believe deep down that they are really lucky to have you. And mind you, even if you do not believe this is not about what you believe about yourself, but this is what your person is talking to their friends. Now, some people might believe, but they do not treat you the way I am speaking about. Maybe this person loves to portray perfect relationship in front of other people, but deep down they do not even treat you the way they are talking about. Then we have the Queen of Pentacles. This person could also compare you with somebody in their life, or this can be an ex. So if your friend has seen your person's ex as well, then this person might compare you with their ex, and they might say that okay, the other person was also fine, she was stable or he was stable, take it how that resonates. I felt really grounded, the relationship was stable, I was committed to that person, but I never felt like I feel with my collective. I never felt the type of connection that I feel with my collective, like you people. Even though it was all good, even though it was in a certain way, but then I never felt like the soulmate connection that I feel with my person, like which is you. They never felt that that they should commit to that other person from their past, or the person that they are comparing you with. The Hierophant in reverse talks about not having the vision towards what I want to have in the future. So maybe they never saw a future with somebody from their past, or somebody that they are comparing to cannot be like the past person for each one of you. But they are saying that they never saw the future, the type of future that they see with you with somebody that they are comparing you with. And they're talking about that. They are also talking about how they believe you can be really successful in your career with the Queen of Pentacles and Strength. And the Hermit also, they believe that you are very mature, or this person has seen your journey from being in a certain way to becoming a certain way. Now, if this is a completely new person, then they feel like they have seen this past person or somebody that they are comparing you with, and they have seen you, and comparatively, they believe that you have better potential to become really successful in your career that they haven't seen in somebody that they have dated before. This person believes that you have a very huge potential of becoming really successful in your career, and they are talking about that. They are really proud about that. Now, if this person has seen you since so many years evolving and changing and becoming a better person, then this person is talking about or has had a conversation with their friends about how they have seen you grow so much and how they are so proud of you and the person that you have become, and now they believe that you have so much potential, knowledge and wisdom inside of you that you can become really successful in your career. That's what they're talking about. Oh my god, that's really sweet. Like, if your partner talks to their friends or to anybody about you like this person really respects you and they put you in high regards. That's what this seems to me like. One last card from this deck, then we will shift. What are they saying and telling their friends about my collective? Knight of Swords and the Fool reversed. They are saying that you could be sometimes really reckless. Like, you take a decision, you could be a air sign, indecisive air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It's like you take a decision very fastly, very recklessly, and then you go back to the normal life, to the before life as quickly as you took the decision, and it's in a funny way. So maybe they say they are saying to their friend that you do not listen to your gut feeling, and then you take stupid decisions, and then you go back, like you undo the decision as quickly as you took them. That's what they're talking about. Okay, so what are they thinking about you, or like what is something that your person wishes to tell you but is not saying up front? We will see what they would wish to tell you right now. What would they wish to tell my collective right now? Their partner. We have number 3, harmony, divine guidance, balance, relaxation, patience and mindfulness. So this person wants you to like reflect and ask yourself how I can bring more balance, harmony into my life by being mindful, patient in my actions. This literally clarifies what I just said before some time. Like, this person wants you to reflect onto your actions and ask yourself how can you become more peaceful in your life by taking mindful decisions in your life, because they feel like you could be really reckless sometimes. Number 3, number 8, number 4 could be significant. We have mind energy, focus, determination, perception, mental strength, clarity and future readiness. This person also wants you to know that you have crazy mental strength and intelligence and power and wisdom inside of you. Just utilize it in the right way and you will be very successful. This person really believes from the bottom of their heart that you can be really successful in your life, right? That's pretty much what I see, collective. That's what your person is talking about to their friends, talking about you to their friends. And do let me know if you liked it. Do let me know if you need a pick a pile of this, because this will not resonate with each one of you. And for personal reading, you can book the reading from the link in the description box below. You can follow me on Instagram. I post there daily as well. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below your zodiac sign, comment down below if this resonated with you, comment down below if you need a pick a pile sort of a reading of the same topic, and I will see you guys in the next one. Sending you love and light.